Hey guys, welcome to Idol TV. How exciting day is it? Guess what? Today, we're gonna talk about the solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system orbiting around the sun. So the first planet is, we're gonna talk about the sun first. So the sun lights up to Earth. And did you know, guys? If the sun rise up in the earth, the moon will. Did you know, guys? Why did the earth has a night and a day? Did you know that? Did you know if this is the earth and the earth turns and the sun is connected to the Philippines, the sun will shine to the Philippines. And if the earth turns to another country, the sun will connect to the other country, and the Philippines will be night because the other country is day and the Philippines is night. But if the Philippines is day, the other country is night. So sun is the biggest object in the solar system, and he holds all the planets in the solar system, and it even shines all the way to Earth. So that's all about the sun. Now let's talk about Mercury. So Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, and he's the first planet from the sun. He is the closest one to the sun, and he's the smallest planet in the solar system, and he has a rocky surface. So let's move on to the planet Venus. Venus is the hottest planet than Mercury. Even though that Venus is not quite that close enough to the sun, he's just more hottest than Mercury because Venus is the hottest planet and has active volcanoes in the world. Now let's talk about the Earth. Earth has organic life. Then Earth called a Goldilocks planet because Earth is that's why Earth is called a Goldilocks planet, because it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's only the right amount of the weather. Then the 1/4 of the land and many water, so the rest is the land. So the water is more than the land of the earth. So the rest is the land is colored green, of course. Then because of the tree and the grass. Then the water is colored blue. That's why the water is colored blue if you see on the space. And that's why there's a white. It commands that it is a cloud. So let's move on to the planet Mars. Planet Mars is called reddish color because it's color red, and it has North Pole and South Pole too. The North Pole is water and the South Pole is ice, and the land is colored brown. So that's all about the terrestrial planet on Mars. So terrestrial planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So this is the difference of terrestrial planet and Jovian planets. So terrestrial planet has land surface, so smallest planets, and the difference of terrestrial and Jovian is the terrestrial is a small planets has the land surface, and they are connected to the sun much closely, and that's why we have terrestrial and Jovian, because they have the asteroid belt. And the difference of Jovian than terrestrial, because Jovian is the biggest planet and no landing surface, and they are also gas planets. So the asteroid belt is a rock surface made of ice, dust, and many more. So that the asteroid belt is the one that Earth is doing. If the meteor just fall into the Earth, that's called, if you see in the sky during night, you will see it is called a falling star. It breaks the Earth. So we're gonna talk about now with the moon. The moon shines up if the night, so the night is dark, so the moon will shine to the Earth. Because the moon has 10 things. So he got a crescent, a half moon, so a whole moon or no moon. So during 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock, he does the moon doesn't shine. Then that's why about the moon is color white. So very last time, a time ago that I was not here in life, the moon is orange. Then the meteor attacks to the Earth and hits the moon. That's why the moon is white. So astronauts go to the moon to stay alive. So we're gonna talk about Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun, and he's the largest planet. He's the second largest planet, but still the sun is much bigger than Jupiter. But we're only talking about the planets, so Jupiter is the still biggest one, but we're not talking about objects in our solar system. So Jupiter is the biggest planet, and Jupiter has a red spot. That's because if you go inside, there's a large storm. And the rest of it is cloud. So Saturn is the second fastest to roll in the solar system, because Mercury is the fastest one to roll in our solar system. So Saturn is the second one to fastest to roll in our solar system, and he has beautiful rings. So his ring is made of asteroids, rocks, dust, and ice. And he's the second fastest to roll in the solar system. So Uranus is called the ice planet, and Neptune, because Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun, and he's an ice planet, and he got a ring also made of dust and ice and rocks. But his rings is north to south, but Saturn, his rings is east to west. But rings of it is upside down of Uranus. So he's a color blue, light blue color. And then Neptune is the coldest planet and farthest from the sun. Did you know that? And he's the coldest planet and snowy planet. And he is a color blue planet, and he also got rings but it made of gas. And he also got some great. So that's all our planet, all our objects in our solar system, which means Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Moon, Mars, asteroid belt, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So we're talking about today is the original planet. Can you say it again? Original planets. That's right. So the original planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So there are 8 of them. And did you know there are 5 dwarf planets in our solar system? They are at the part of the asteroid belt. So the biggest asteroid in our asteroid belt is Ceres. That is the first dwarf planet in our solar system, and dwarf planet is much smaller than the original planets, because Even though the terrestrial planet is small, the much smaller object in our solar system is the dwarf planets. So there are 5 dwarf planets: Ceres, Pluto, Makemake, Maya, Eris. So that's all our planets in our solar system. That is called the dwarf planet. So inside our asteroid belt, they are inside the biggest asteroid belt in our asteroid belt is Ceres. Say it again, Ceres. Ceres. So Pluto is the heart planet because you can see the Pluto if you go on space. On the side it means love. He got a heart shape. Then Maya is the long oval shape of planet, and he got 2 moons. Did you know that? So Makemake is a brownish color like Mars, but it is not like that because it's a small planet. Then Eris is a cracker because it's a gray planet. So that's all our planet in our solar system. So we will see you again next time. Bye for now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to have a big thumbs up and subscribe. And please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button to see more videos like this. And hope please enjoy this video. We will see you again next time. Bye. And please subscribe. Bye. Bye.